Good morning, grade 9. How we can determine the point of intersection? If I have two equations, and you can see here the two equations, they are on the standard form and they are not really on the form of the slope and the y-intercept. So I don't have a choice. I have to transfer them, both of them, to the y-intercept and slope form, with the way that I can isolate the y in one side and everything in the other side. So the first one is going to be 2y equal, I'm going to ask the x to go to the other side with negative x plus 8. However, the y, I have to isolate it again by dividing by 2. But whatever I'm doing at the left side, I have to do it in the right side to keep the balance of the equation. So now I can continue. I will see that I can simplify 2 with 2. So I will have y equal negative 1 over 2x plus 4. And with this way, I can draw the line on the graph. Plus 4 means the y-intercept. So I can add a dot on the positive 4 here. And the slope is negative. Since the slope is negative, that means the line is going down. How? By rise 1 and run 2, because the slope is half. So run 2, rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2, rise 1. And actually, I can do it from the other side too to make it easier for me when I'm going to draw the line. Again, the run 2, rise 1, run 2, rise 1. And I try my best to draw a line that it passes through all these points with this way. A little bit different with a computer, but actually with pencil and paper, it's easier. So you see here, it's moving a little bit. So I'm trying my best to make it pass through all the point. So when I am trying to find where is the intersection point, it's going to be at least correct. So this is the first line. The second line, I'm going to do it in green, for example. Again, I have negative 2y, and I'm going to ask the x to go to the other side. So it's going to be negative 2y equal negative x minus 4. Again, I need to isolate the y. Therefore, I need to divide by negative 2. Whatever I'm doing at the left side, I have to do it in the right side too. So this will give me what? I can simplify the negative 2 with negative 2. I will get y. Negative and negative is going to be positive, so 1 over 2x. And negative is going to give me positive 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2, it's my y-intercept. So right away, before I forget, I can write, or I can draw the point on 2. And after that, this is positive. Positive with a way that the rise is 1 and the run is 2. So 2, the run, 1. And you see right away that this point is going to be my intersection point. Again, 2 run and 1 rise, 2 run and 1 rise, 2 run and 1 rise. And from the other side, I can do the same thing, rise 1 and run 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And now I can draw my line, and I switch the color to green to make sure that I understand that this is the second line. And I try my best to make this line passing through all the dots that I created. And here it will be very clear for me from the beginning when I found this point. And here it's going to be really my intersection point. And this intersection point, it's at 2, 3. So I answered the question by saying the intersection point of these two equations, it's 2, 3. And as you can see, I can determine the point of intersection graphically in grade 9, but in grade 10, I can do it algebraically with a way that I don't need the graph. I can do it with math or with algebra. But this is for grade 10. For the moment, for grade 9, we can do it with this way by transferring the standard form of the two equations to the slope and the y-intercept form. After that, I graph it. After that, I can find the intersection point. I hope you understood this part, and thank you for listening.